everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a regular photo into a cute keychain photo using ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT and then just go to menu icon, this one, and then just choose images. Scroll down and then on the sections, just search for the turn into a keychain, this one. And then next just choose your photo, or you can also take a new photo from your camera with your camera. And then I will just choose a photo from my gallery, and then next just upload your photo that you want to transform like this. And then next just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, ChatGPT will turns or transforms your photo into an adorable kitchen's image like this. I think it's so cute. It's perfect for gift or creative content. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.